Alright pioneers, and welcome back to the channel. It's your crypto analyst here, and today we're not just talking about news, we're dissecting a seismic shift. You've probably seen the headlines, heard the buzz. Pi Network has officially welcomed 3 new heavily vetted KYB-approved partners into its rapidly expanding ecosystem. This isn't just about adding names to a list, it's about strategically plugging critical gaps that have long been roadblocks for many promising crypto projects. Let's be brutally honest. For a long time, the biggest question around Pi wasn't if it could build a community, because pioneers, you've built an incredible one, over 60 million strong. The question was always about utility and accessibility. How do you seamlessly integrate a digital currency, mined on your phone, into the tangible, real-world economy? That's where these new partners come in, and trust me, the implications are huge. Think of Pi Network's journey like building a futuristic city. We've had the blueprint, the massive workforce, and even the unique energy source. That's your mobile mining. But a city needs infrastructure. It needs roads for commerce, banks for financial flow, and seamless bridges to the existing world. These 3 partners, Zypto, Onramper, and Onrampmoney, are those critical pieces of infrastructure. They're not just participating, they're powering the next phase of Pi's evolution. So, we're talking about moving beyond just accumulating Pi on your phone. We're talking about tangible, real-world use. Honestly, this is the moment the vision starts to truly materialize. And for those who doubted, for those who said, show me the utility, well, the curtain is beginning to rise. Let's break down exactly why these partnerships are so revolutionary, starting with Zypto. Now, if you're serious about crypto, you know the wallet is your lifeblood. It's where your digital assets live, breathe, and interact with the blockchain. For Pi, getting a robust, secure, and feature-rich third-party wallet has been a critical need. And Zypto? They're stepping up as Pi's first official third-party wallet app. This isn't just a storage solution, this is a game-changer for pioneer control and liquidity. Imagine this. You can securely send and receive your Pi coins, just like any other mainstream cryptocurrency, but it goes deeper. Zypto offers cold wallet integration for top-tier security, meaning your assets are protected offline from digital threats. For the advanced users among you, they're even talking about DeFi swaps. Think about that. Utilizing your Pi within decentralized finance protocols, opening up a whole new world of possibilities. And here's the kicker, the one that truly bridges the digital and physical Pi Visa cards. Yes, you heard me right. This isn't just about speculation. It's about spending your Pi in the real world, effortlessly. This drastically enhances the spending power and perceived value of Pi. Next, let's talk about Onramper. This is where the barrier to entry, the friction of getting into the crypto world, gets demolished. For newcomers, or even experienced crypto users unfamiliar with Pi, converting traditional money fiat currency into crypto can be a daunting maze. Onramper is a fiat-to-crypto on-ramp solution that simplifies this process like never before. Think about it. A seamless portal for anyone, from anywhere. Onramper supports over 180 countries, offering a multitude of payment methods. Credit cards, bank transfers, even Apple Pay. This is mass adoption in action. This isn't just about buying Pi, it's about mainstream access. And they promise to scour multiple providers to give you the best rate. And then, to complete the circle, we have Onrampmoney. Because what good is getting in if you can't easily get out? This is the vital off-ramp that converts your Pi back into fiat currency, enabling real-world utility for daily spending. This is where Pi truly begins to flex its muscles as a usable currency. Imagine, for a moment, being able to sell your Pi for local currency in over 25 different fiat options. They're specifically targeting markets like India and Brazil, which honestly are massive, rapidly expanding economies that are just ripe for crypto adoption. This boosts liquidity within the ecosystem and most importantly allows pioneers to use their accumulated Pi for actual goods and services. Your daily coffee, your groceries, paying bills. Suddenly Pi isn't just numbers on a screen. It's a tangible asset with real-world value. This integrated approach, secure management, easy access, and seamless spending creates a powerful economic loop. It addresses critical questions of usability and legitimacy that have plagued many emerging cryptocurrencies. The foundations for true widespread adoption are being laid, brick by digital brick. Pioneers, let me be clear. This isn't just about 3 new partners. This is about validating the entire Pi network vision. This is about moving from a speculative asset, which, yes, currently sits around 46 cents on some exchanges, but that's not the full story, to a functional digital currency aiming for global adoption. The vision isn't about Pi hitting a specific dollar amount, it's about it becoming a ubiquitous medium of exchange. And speaking of global adoption, consider this. Pi is shining bright among the hottest tokens on OKX in 2025. This isn't just hype. This is history in the making. Pi is a people-powered Web3 revolution built on real purpose and unstoppable belief. But wait, there's more. A massive milestone often overlooked amidst the partner excitement. Over 7,900 decentralized applications have been built on the Pi App Studio since its launch on Pi-to-Day 2025. 7,900. This AI-powered no-code platform lets anyone create decentralized apps using simple prompts, driving innovation and expanding the utility of Pi in ways we can barely imagine right now. This is a testament to the power of a truly decentralized, community-driven ecosystem. The decentralized apps are the lifeblood, the services that will truly define Pi's future utility. And for those of you who want to dive deeper, who want to show your unwavering support, there's a new stakes button in your wallet. If you're thinking of staking, remember, it's not for direct rewards. It's simply a powerful way to show your love and support for the apps and the ecosystem you believe in. It's about signaling confidence in the future of Pi. So, what does this all mean for you, the pioneer? Well, it means your patience is starting to pay off. It means the ecosystem is maturing at an astonishing pace. So it means the pathways for real-world utility are opening up, not just for a select few, but honestly, for every single one of you out there. The question is no longer if, but really it's how. How will you use your Pi? Will you spend it with a Zypto Visa card? Or maybe you'll support the new dApps built by fellow pioneers? Will you engage in the burgeoning ecosystem? The choice is, totally yours. The power is now truly shifting into your hands. Before we wrap up, a quick but crucial reminder. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and subject to significant risks, including the potential loss of your entire investment. Pi Network, like any emerging technology, carries inherent uncertainties. The information discussed in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own thorough research or and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The conversation is just beginning. Tell me in the comments below, with these new integrations, how do you envision using your Pi? What dApps are you excited to explore? Let's collectively chart the course for this incredible Web3 revolution. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth crypto analysis, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of digital assets. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and keep pioneering.